Hi there. So I'm going to walk you through the Cottage Garden Scrapbox kit so you can see what's in it. So first of all, the printed paper is 250 GSM, so it's a nice thick, beautiful card to work with. So I should just hold them up and walk you through them. So this is a blue-green kit, and I'm not sure how true to life the colours are with this lighting. If you go over to the website, you'll be able to check the colour. There you go, there's green on that side. And there's always two in this kit, two of each. And that one's got a beautiful little wildflower. And two of those. Oh. Two of those. Two blue. And these ones with the flowers on are great. If you haven't got much time and you just want to stick photos straight on the page, you've got ready-made borders. If, however, you want to get a bit more creative, you can do fussy cutting with them as well. And on the back, there's usually a more abstract design so that you can play around a bit more. So that's all the printed papers. So I also include cardstock that matches, so you don't have to go scrabbling around for cardstock. So there's two blue. This one's called Ultramarine. And Dark Aqua. Ivory, because it's always good to have some neutral. Fern. This one is Aquamarine. And Dark Aqua. And all of these are 210 GSM. So in addition to the cardstock on the printed paper, in the kit, so this is the Cottage Garden kit, you get 3 sheets of sticky letters. So you get a lowercase and 2 uppercase sets, and that includes numbers as well. So you've got everything there that you need to do your titles with. You get some card page accents with bits that you can cut out. So there's leaves there you can cut out. Oh, something's got stuck. There you go. You get washi tape. Now this one is a really cool washi tape that's in the form of stamps with plants on. And you can tear them off one by one, or you can use them as a strip. And there's a whole reel of that there. It's a massive reel. You get some crystal stickers. There's 11 of those. Some die cuts that match the papers. I've just dropped one. Never mind, I'll pick it up in a minute. You get paper flowers. These are mulberry paper flowers. And you get some coordinating ribbon in different colours. Nice long pieces. And lastly, you get a chipboard cutout. And this one, you can press them out and just put them on as they are. They're really thin, so they won't add anything to your page. If you want to, you can ink them up, you can paint them, you can colour them with pens. So you can do all kinds of things with them. Get creative. So that's the last thing. And the other thing you'll always get in my kits is some page layout ideas. And you'll also get a page planner. So that's everything that's in the kit. That's the cottage garden kit. And if you want to take a closer look at any of it, you can go over to my website, which is memoriesandphotos.co.uk. Click on the link that says Scrapbox kits and search for cottage garden. Everything that's available, other kits as well, will be on that section, so you can see what we have. And I'll see you soon. Bye.